Welcome back, amazing little artists, to another exciting episode of Zoonitoons, the happiest place where we use our imagination, pencils, and colors to bring our favorite heroes to life. Before we dive into today's fun, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Zoonitoons because your support helps us keep creating even more magical adventures just for you. Today, we're teaming up with the heroic PJ Masks, Catboy, Owlette, and Luna Girl for a nighttime adventure filled with teamwork, friendship, and creativity. So, grab your drawing sheets, markers, and enthusiasm, because we're about to make the night come alive with colors and imagination. Let's start with Catboy, the brave and super fast leader of the PJ Masks team who's always ready to leap into action and protect his friends. Begin by sketching his face, giving him big, confident eyes and a determined smile that shows he's ready for adventure. Next, draw the outlines of his costume, the tall cat ears, sleek suit, and lightning patterns that show off his amazing speed and agility. Finish by adding the details on his arms, legs, and tail. Every line should capture the energy and motion that makes Catboy so full of life. Now it's time to bring Catboy to life with bright and bold colors that match his heroic personality. Fill his suit with rich shades of blue, adding darker tones to the stripes to make his costume look powerful and full of depth. Color his mask and ears carefully, keeping the contrast between light and dark blue for that perfect superhero look. When you're done, Catboy should look like he's about to dash across the night sky, ready to save the day in true PJ Mask style. Now let's move on to Owlette, the smart and fearless flying hero who uses her wings to soar through the night and watch over her friends. Start by outlining her face, giving her kind but focused eyes and a confident smile that shows she's ready for any challenge. Then draw her flowing wings, spreading out wide like feathers that shimmer as she glides through the sky. Finally, add the details of her superhero outfit from her headpiece to her boots, making sure each line shows her graceful strength and courage. Let's give Owlette her beautiful, vibrant colors that make her shine as the heart of the PJ Masks team. Use a deep red for her main suit, blending it smoothly with lighter pink shades on her wings to create a soft yet powerful glow. Add gentle shadows under her wings to give them a sense of motion, as if she's flying high above the city lights. By the end, Owlette should look radiant and strong, ready to swoop into the night with her bright, confident energy. Now it's time for Luna Girl, the mischievous nighttime rival who always has a few tricks up her sleeve, but still makes the story so much fun. Start by drawing her face with a playful smirk and her sharp, curious eyes that show she's always thinking of her next clever move. Sketch her wavy hair flowing around her mask, and then outline her outfit sleek and stylish with a bit of mystery. Finish by drawing her hovering board and the moon-shaped accessory in her hand, giving her that cool, floating pose she's known for. Let's bring Luna Girl to life with her signature dark and silvery tones that sparkle like the moon. Fill her outfit with shades of gray and black, using lighter silver around her mask and boots to make her stand out in the night. Add a bit of purple or blue to her hoverboard to make it shine with an otherworldly glow. When you're finished, Luna Girl should look clever, stylish, and ready to glide through the night sky in her own mischievous way. And there we have it. Amazing artists, our PJ Masks heroes are complete, each one full of color, power, and life. Catboy looks fast and fearless, Owlette is graceful and strong, and Luna Girl adds just the right touch of mystery to their adventure. If you had fun drawing and coloring with us today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zoonitoons, your favorite home for creativity and imagination. And remember, every time you pick up your pencils and colors, you become the hero of your own story. Keep creating, and see you next time on Zoonitoons.